Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Football Manager 26 crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PS5 console. So here follow the fixes. First fix is to simply restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off, unplug all the wires. Wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In the Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works for you. Fix 3. Log out and log in. Log out from your PlayStation Network account. Go to settings, users and accounts, other, sign out. Now wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Tip: if you have another secondary account, then log in with that and check if that works or not. Fix 4. Restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Football Manager 26 game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5. Switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on your PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. Tip: restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 6. Rebuild database on PS5. Power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Now use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch Football Manager 26 game and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP and then launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to delete game data and cache. Note: make sure to backup this saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data, PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Choose Football Manager 26 and then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 9. Change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Now change DNS settings from automatic to manual. And in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK. Now launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK. Now launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 10 is to reinstall or transfer the game to the SSD. This is the last solution. If you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Football Manager 26 game to the SSD and then launch the game and check if that works or not. So by this way you can easily fix Football Manager 26 game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.